Look, if you want to have a productive, you want to have a confidence-fueled, energy-fueled day, there's certain things in your day that you just can't skip. There's certain things that as a man, every single day, day in, day out, I don't care what time you do them, you just can't skip. You got to get them done, and I promise you, it's going to change the course of your day. Let's hop into it. Number one, skip breakfast. Look, if you like to intermittent fast, go for it. That's your body. See, everybody's body is a little bit different, and everybody reacts a different way, and some people perform well when they intermittent fast. Breakfast eaters and those that skip breakfast, they have their pros and cons, but I'm going to speak from personal experience, and I just can't skip on breakfast. It's the start of your day, and it gives you that energy fuel that you need to start taking your day. See, usually your hardest tasks will be early on in the day. Being fueled up is not only good for your brain, but your body to be able to perform both physically and mentally during those hard tasks in the morning. But more importantly, what's interesting is that it also builds healthy habits. Forcing yourself to get up and build yourself a healthy breakfast in the morning when it's hard builds healthy habits. And this is not just something I'm saying, science says. Because you have these healthy habits, studies suggest that these men are also less likely to be obese, less likely to suffer from chronic health issues. Now, all these studies that I'm putting up here did suggest a certain thing. While breakfast eaters do tend to be healthier than non-breakfast eaters on average, they still can't pinpoint if it's the actual breakfast that's making them healthier or if it's the habit itself. Number two, skip on your multivitamins. I know every single person watching this right now is not getting all the vitamins and minerals they need on a daily basis through their diet. I know I'm not. And because of this, one thing I cannot skip on is my multivitamins every day. And you know what the beautiful part about a multivitamin is? This is an easy ritual that you can do daily. See, right now is the new year. Everybody's setting all these goals that we know that by February you're breaking. This is one of those goals that are not only going to be beneficial to you, but are easily implemented and you don't have to break. They're minimal effort. And with our sponsor Ritual, see, Ritual is on the same frequency. They want to make sure that you taking a multivitamin is a ritual that you stick with all year long and for the rest of your life. They know resolutions don't work. So this year, it's rituals over resolutions. And with our sponsor Ritual, you can check out the multivitamins. These are the vitamins that I take daily. And these things, bro, these things are amazing. What I love about Ritual multivitamins is the transparency. See, before you even purchase it, you guys can click the link down below, check out ritual.com/TMF. And the cool part is that when you pick your multivitamin, they have different sectors. They have the men and the women's, and then within men's, they have multiple categories depending on your age. Well, when you pick your multivitamin, it's full transparency. You can see exact ingredients in your multivitamin, and then you can even see where they're sourcing those ingredients from, so you know that what you're taking is top of the line nutrients. And the best part is, for this year, because they want you to build this healthy ritual, I have never seen them do a discount this massive. They're doing 30% off your subscription. This is limited time. I doubt this is gonna last long, but for you guys right now, so you can start a healthy ritual and keep it going, they're giving you 30% off. So not only are you getting top of the line multivitamins, you're getting it at the lowest price possible. If that's not enough, the Ritual capsules also come in a clear capsule that lets you see all the contents inside. And on top of that, it also has this minty finish. So the cool thing is that when you consume the capsule, it leaves this minty aftertaste. So it's actually pleasant to consume the capsules. Again, the whole goal with Ritual is to make this entire habit actually pleasant. It's easy, it tastes great. If you guys want to check out Ritual, guys, and take advantage of that 30% offer, these are the multivitamins that I'm taking. Again, 30% off. This is a steal. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. You can't skip on SPF. This is one of those skincare steps that I don't care what's going on, you have to do every single day. See, the sun's really damaging, and depending on your skin tone color, there's different problems that you'll deal with. On top of fine lines and wrinkles, for example, somebody like me with a darker complexion, you end up dealing with hyperpigmentation, where you start getting darker skin spots and it just looks unpleasant. You want that nice, even skin tone color. So to do this, wear your sunscreen. This will protect your skin, make sure you get that nice even glow at all times, and more importantly, make sure that in the long run, your skin doesn't have wrinkles, doesn't have fine lines, and it looks as good as possible. Number 4, it's your workout. You can't skip this. 7 days a week, you should be working out. Now, this doesn't mean you have to go heavy. This doesn't mean you have to lift heavy 7 days a week. but I want you to be active 7 days a week, which means you can break it up as you want. Maybe you take 3 to 4 days a week and you go hard. This is your HIIT, your heavy lifting, etc. And the other 3 days of the week, you do low impact sports. Maybe you go hiking, or you go for a walk, or a light jog, or you go on a bike, or you practice sports that you like jiu-jitsu or basketball. See, the point is, it doesn't have to necessarily be you in the gym, but what it does have to be is that you have to be constantly moving. This will give you confidence. This will keep you healthy. More importantly, this will keep you looking good. And finally, number 5, you always want to read something every single day. Every day you spend time on Instagram. Every day you spend time on TikTok. Every day you spend time doing stuff that actually doesn't benefit you. Why not take 10 to 15 minutes out of the day to read something? This could be a blog post. This could be an article. This could be a book. Or maybe if you're into investing, this could be you reading the Wall Street Journal. The point is, I just want you to stimulate your brain. You need to understand your brain's a muscle. And like every other muscle, you have to constantly work it. When you stimulate your brain by reading, you're increasing your knowledge, your experiences, your know-how, which overall just makes you an interesting individual and also makes you better at problem solving because you just know more stuff. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Ritual. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.